In this video, we are going to migrate our WordPress website from one host to another. You can migrate on the same domain or to any other domain. So, this is a website which I want to migrate. Then I will go to dashboard, plugins, and will install a new plugin from here by adding a new plugin. The plugin name is backup. The plugin name is backup migration. Uh, this plugin. The same plugin you need to install on your another website where you want to backup. So this is a fresh installation of a WordPress site. Now we have to activate this plugin. To create a backup of this complete site, you can click here, create backup now. It will generate the complete backup of your website. And you can see the backups here. You can download this backup on your local device and then upload backup files to back up the website. If you want to migrate on the same domain only, then you can create backup, download the backup, and then upload this backup here, and your site will be up. If you want to migrate to any another domain name, then you can use this super quick migration. First, you need to create a backup from here. After creating a backup, you will get a link like this. Copy the link, and you can back up this whole website on your new domain. So you have to just go to plugins, add new plugin. The same plugins you install there will be installing here too. Backup. Uh, this is the plugin by Inisio. Install. Now activate it. After activating the plugin, you will be seeing an option to backup. Okay, so do not need to create a backup. You have to restore. You click here, manage and restore backups. You can upload your backup files, or you can use this super quick migration via the link. This method may not work on some host. Then do we first test your server before doing a complete migration with the help of this plugin. Well, uploading the files always works. Before trying all these methods, first you need to test it. After clicking this, it will take several time, and it will back up your whole content from that site to this site. Thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.